He makes his way over, and that was a cool lightning strike. You can see that one from over here. I was kind of ventured in the clouds. Got someone coming, so come here. Come the road, Kevin. Kevin, what do you got for us this time?
Okay, so we got a gray single track series Trek bike. There's a little cup holder that we bought.
Yeah.
And it has lights here. And it works great. Buy your local stores today.
Okay, thank you for that update, Kevin. If you guys are new to this channel, in our other past videos, we always do a commercial Kevin update. But yeah, I think that'll be all for this. Oh, there's some more lighting. I don't think the camera picked that up. It's a little too faint. But it is getting closer. In fact, I think it's that cell right there. It's coming this way. I don't know. It may kind of turn northward a little bit, miss us. But that's okay. I just want it close enough that I can get a good video of it for the first storm. We got some activity up there. That's, I think, just dark clouds. Oh, there's no, I don't think I got that. But yeah, good first severe storms of the year. They're a little bit too far away for me to get a good view of it. But oh my goodness, there we go. Did you guys see that? I hope you guys saw that. We got some intense lightning and some over there. I could just actually sit right here probably and get a good. I'll stay up here for a little bit. See if we can get. There's some a little bit more. Nothing over here. Again, it's just clouds. But yeah. I think that'll be all for this. Sorry if this is kind of boring. It's just this is the first storms of the year. School's almost out too. There's some more. So this summer we'll be getting some good. So I'm blocking the camera from the wind. Hopefully, I'm getting some good storms. No school obviously. Oh, there's some more. I don't think I got that. I'll be able to come out here even if it's during the day, and I'll be able to stay up a little later. I won't be able to stay up and watch the whole thing. But yeah. Oh, there's some. I got that. Man, you could just literally sit out here and get as much lightning as you. There's no thunder. Too far away to hear it yet. But actually, as I look at it, sorry, again. Maybe it's just weakening a little bit. I have to check the radar. I haven't checked it yet. Last video I put, I did radar check, but I don't have my iPad out here and it doesn't have data, so I can't check. Pretty dark clouds again. Actually, it's a little unusual to be this late in the season to have May 7th. So, I think that'll be it for this. A little bit more lightning. I don't think I picked that up. Zoom in on that part a little bit. But actually, just had a little lightning over there too. Some other. Actually, real quick, the one down there is the one that's producing the 2 to 2.5 inch size hail. And that stuff over there is producing. Actually, I think this one or that one, that Grand Forks. That one I think is producing 1 inch size hail. This one that's right here, I think it's producing maybe just penny size hail. So not much. More of a wind. That one has 60 miles per hour. The one that is nearest and that is coming towards Fargo, that has big set as wind gusts. But yeah, oh, there's some more lightning. Yeah, I'd say this is a pretty good lightning shot from right here. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I think this will be wrapping up, possibly wrapping up today's videos. If it does hit, I will be getting out. I will get a video out. But if it doesn't, I think this might be the last. I don't have any other storms on the 10-day forecast, so I don't know about that. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and stay safe. I'll get another video out if something happens.